Hello guys, welcome to my mini kitchen. Like, subscribe and ring the bell. Support to Liket and Varnika channel. Today we make French fries. Do you like French fries? Yummy, right? I like it. Okay guys, let's take a pot. Put it on the stove and put some water. Let's start on the stove. Okay, let's add some salt. The water is boiling. After it boils, we need to add the potatoes. Oh, it's already boiled. Let's be careful. Let's put the cap. Let's wait. Let's mix it. It's so yummy. Let's do it slowly. And then now we just need to wait. Okay, let's open it and see it. Wow, it's cooking. Look. So tasty. Let's stir it. Let's take another bowl. Oh, okay, let's put this on top. Let's put the potatoes into this. Let's add some salt. 3 spoons of salt. Need to spread it. Let's add some corn flour. Put it in the bowl. Let's put the potatoes inside the corn flour. Mix it. Okay guys, the oil has been heated. Let's add some potatoes. It's cooking well. Okay guys, let's put a fry pan. Let's on the stove. Let's put some oil. Oh guys, look at the French fries. It's so good. Let's stir it. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay, it's done. Let's on the stove. Okay, let's put the fries into the bowl. amazing tasty smell. It's fries, my brother. Let's dip it and eat it. Okay, I'll take one and dip it here and eat it. So yummy. Yummy and tasty. Who made this? Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell for Varnika Like a channel.